Hello there! Today we are going to make a lantern. So let's see, what do we have in our book? Wow, we see a very interesting and colorful lantern right here. Let's grab our pencil, follow the instructions and start making this. At first, we are going to make a box. It is advisable to make this box after making these points. Yes, we need to make these dots and after that, join them. We can use a scale to join it. Let's do this together. You can move your book however you want to do it. After that, let's make a line inside this, on the top and the bottom. Once we are done with that, let's make these dots. Yes, 3 dots. And then let's make these zigzag lines. Do you know how to make these zigzag lines? Yes, something like this. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. But before that, let's make these dots so that we can continue making this part. Make sure that the zigzag lines are parallel to each other. Try your best to make the exact line. This looks interesting. After that, let's make a sleeping line and join all of them together. Yes, let's go from side to side. This looks brilliant. Let's make this line at the bottom and then start making these streamers. How many streamers are you making in total? Yes, we need to make 5 in total. And finally, let's make this string on the top. Look, our lantern is ready. Let's erase all the extra pencil marks and then start sketching with our black sketch pen. We need to go very slow while sketching and sketch right on top of the pencil marks. Go slow and complete sketching the entire thing in a similar way. Let's do this slowly and nicely. This looks brilliant. Let's do the bottom part now. Yes, in a similar way. Wonderful. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see and then get to coloring this. Let's start with our yellow color at first. We should mark it so that we don't make a mistake. Let's start with a lighter yellow. Do it in these sections and these 2 streamers. And after that, let's go ahead with a darker yellow. You can also take a deep yellow color or an orange color. Go ahead with coloring this in the same way. And then let's take magenta color. Yes, we will fill this in all the other sections we see on the left and the right side of the yellow diamonds. You can do the outline and then color inside. The color combination looks so pretty, isn't it? I'm so excited for the entire lantern to be completed. Let's color in one direction. And finally, take purple color and do it at the bottom and the top rectangle. Can we do this together? Well, that's awesome. And look, we are done with the lantern.